This is the pastor Dr. Miles Monroe, who died in a fatal plane crash in 2014. His wife also died in the same plane crash. But I want you to hear these words that he said before he died. He spoke his death into existence. Watch the clip.
Both of us come to the church together, and I plan to die with her. That's my plan. We're going to die together. Praise God.
So if you couldn't tell who he was talking about, he was talking about
Right, pause it.
he planned to die with her.
You can delete it after, yeah? You can delete the picture if you want. Me background, right? Let me tell you something. Miles Monroe, they kill he. Let me tell you why they kill him for. Miles Monroe used to jam the bull around them. When he preaching, no, remember, as a spiritual leader, as a man who in his spiritual orders, remember the world and people going to lock on, people going to listen, they're going to take, they're going to get heed because the God's them talking with you. As he jamming the bull around them, they couldn't take that. And I see the time when he went and sell the book for Shaw Brothers into the faith with Jesus Christ and teaching the people and bring out a book and Shaw Brothers buy the book from him. You see, right after Miles Monroe died, I do my research and I go. Me have time to pull up Naptan. I go and see when Miles Monroe sell the book for Shaw Brothers and how long right after he died. And every time anybody dealing with Sonia and dealing with Shaw Brothers and what is going on, that preacher man, what happened to him? It's the same thing with Bob Marley. Who you think killed Bob Marley? Bob Marley wasn't like Buju Banton when Buju Banton sing Boom Bye Bye in a Batty Boy head. And when they tell him how why you are burning out Buddha man, you had a mouthpiece to the thing. Sing a song against the Buddha man them, but you didn't have the belly. So certain people seeing Bob Marley come out and he do have the belly to sing real song. He do have the belly to come out to jam certain song, he go put it. And the same people jam him. The same people who would Bob Marley and allow him and set up everything. That what is gone. You realize because when Buju Banton sing the song Boom Bye Bye in a Batty Boy head, and after when he come jail and he say Lady Bola man live the life and he take out the song, go up and see me find that song now. Who give the okay? All of the knowledge I speaking here. Who give the okay? Buju Banton. He tell YouTube take it up when you ask him. Buju Banton turn around and say he let the Bola man them live their life. He not that it was a long time and he used to think so. Because they jam him. They say they plant cocaine and they do what and make Buju Banton make jail. Because that's what them fellas them doing by. Them man racket with money by millions of dollars in cocaine, millions of dollars them in all kind of thing. More money they wanted, more money they go rock because they artists and things so you know. So that's what Bob Marley did. But Buju Banton make the mistake, Bob Marley didn't want to make the mistake. He didn't want to, he had the belly to come out and jam them and remain like how I had the belly.